Hello, my friends. So today we're talking all about math, and more specifically, we're going to be practicing math stories, and we're going to practice adding math stories where we take one thing and add some more to it and figure out how many are all together. But this time, we're going to be looking at our equation. Remember, we look at these numbers because it helps us to know how many to add or how many to take away. But this time, all the equation is going to be on how much more to add. So let's take a look at some equations and figure out how many are all together. Are you ready? All right, let's start. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and take a look at our first equation. Remember, when we read our equation, it's just like when we're reading our stories and reading a book. We start on the left-hand side and move to the right. So let's start all the way on the left-hand side. And what number do we see here? It's number 5. So we're going to start off with 5 pigs because I'm using pigs today. Now this symbol means we're going to add how many more? 2 more, and then we need to figure out how many are all together. So let's start back with number 5. First, we need 5 pigs. So I have my box here, and I'm going to put 5 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 pigs, and we need to add how many more? We need to add 2 more. So I'm going to add 2 more pigs. 1, 2. Now we need to figure out how many are all together. So that means we need to count and see how many pigs are all together. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 pigs all together. So I'm going to take my marker and write a number 7 here, across and down, because there are 7 pigs all together. Way to go, friends. Now let's take a look at another equation. Let's move on to the next one. Now this time we're starting off with how many pigs? 3 pigs. So we need to put 3 pigs up here. 3 pigs. And we need to add how many more? 1 more. Now we need to figure out how many are all together. So that means we need to count and see how many are all together. Now here's an easier way to do it. We know there are 3 pigs here. We're just adding 1 more to it. So we know that this is 3, 4. I have 4 pigs all together. So I'm going to write my number 4. Straight line down, across, and down again. We have 4 pigs all together. Let's look at one last one before it's your turn to try. Here's the next one. We are going to start off with how many pigs? 4 pigs. So let me put my 4 pigs up here. Here's my 4 pigs. And we're adding how many more? 2 more. So I'm adding 2 more. Now we need to figure out how many are all together. I have 4 on this side. 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pigs all together. So I'm going to write my number 6. Now it's your turn to try. So let me show you what you guys are going to do.